Hi, my name is Paul and I'm going to do a small demo of a new application called myPaymail Send developed for the 2020 BSV hackathon. A bit about myself, I'm the founder of myPaymail, a fully managed payment service provider. One of the features that we offer is the ability to create a paymail address using the domain that you own. This allows you to use your email as a payment handle. I started developing myPaymail at the beginning of the year. After launching the first beta, one of the users tried to create a payment address using a Gmail email address. I explained that that's only possible if Google decides to add support for payment. After our conversation, it was clear to me that something had to be done because most users use free email accounts. It became clear that it'd be super cool if we could just push a payment to someone's inbox. So some months went by and I didn't see a clear way of how to implement such a system in a user-friendly manner. But last month I had an idea, and that idea is now implemented as myPaymail Send. So what is myPaymail Send exactly? So it is a way to send Bitcoin to someone that just has an email address. So the good thing is that the recipient doesn't need to have a Bitcoin wallet or even know about Bitcoin at all to receive a payment. The only thing they'll have to do in the future is install a wallet, but that can happen at any time. And that's what makes this product unique. So today I'm very excited to present to you myPaymail Send, and I'm going to show you a small demo of our hackathon submission. So we created this URL for doing the demo, and the judges can access that as well. So let's try and make a payment. So there is no login required. So you can just type the email address of the recipient, and you can type your email. This is because we need to send you a receipt and also a link to reclaim the payment in case you select an expiration date. And this is useful if you want to get the payment back if the receiver doesn't claim the funds. So let's try to select this expiration date just to show you an email that you get. Let's click on send payment. Now use the swipe and send 1p. So remember that the sender needs to have a Bitcoin wallet, but the receiver doesn't. Okay, so the way it works now is you have to share an unlocking code with the recipient, and this unlocking code is just 5 words. So you just share this with the recipient somehow. You can use an encrypted messaging app like WhatsApp or Signal, or just dictate it. And this page will tell you a bit more about the payment itself. So you'll receive a link to your reclaim link. So what is the recipient receiving? So the recipient will get an email saying, oh, you've received 1 cent. And now, as long as you have these 5 words that we showed before, you can redeem this payment at any time. Now, it's not at any time in this case because the sender has selected an expiry date. So the sender can go and reclaim the funds. And the sender will get an email like this one, where it says it's got this link, and this link allows to reclaim the funds at this date. So the recipient can leave this email, and they can, as long as they have the words, they have the money. Now at some point they'll decide to move these funds to a wallet. So they can install money button or any other wallet will expand this in the future. And for now, let's see what happens. So you click this link to redeem the payment. You just type your 5 words, and so now the application will tell you whether or not the unlocking code is correct, and it will give you a money button that you can swipe to move all the funds to your money button account. So that's what we're going to do. So we just redeem the funds, and that's enough. So now the recipient has the funds. But remember that this email can be, as long as you have the 5 words, you can just leave it in your inbox for a while. So we hope this demo was useful. Thank you very much for listening.